This package is to Bucky B, Bucks Pond, Giggle Ridge, BC. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, we are at Giggle Ridge at Cultus Lake Adventure Park, the mini putt course. If you've been following, you will know that Ma is winning by 2 holes, and we're on hole 16. If I don't win the next couple of holes, she'll beat me completely. I just won the last hole, so I get to go first, but here's hole 16. Let's take a quick look at it. We're gonna come around here. Do we bounce it off one of these rocks, or do we roll it all the way around? I don't know, but let's set it up right here to find out. Sit you guys right up here. All right, here we go. Whoa, mulligan. All right, that's a mulligan. Whoa. Oh, that could be an easy 2. Here we go, ladies and gentlemen. Oh no! Unbelievable! Oh, this is so unfair. Go ahead, put it in. Okay. When did you become so good at this game? All right, here we go. That's a tie. You're still up 2, and we're hole 17. That means I gotta win both holes to tie it up.
Okay, do it then.
Ladies and gentlemen, you better stay tuned. This is getting crazy. Thought I saw a bird go by.